How to cleanse your face using the facial buff sponge. So you're going to take a bit of cleanser, anywhere from a nickel to a dime size amount of product. Put some water on the tips of your fingers with the product and lather it up a little bit. Apply it directly to your face, circles, backward circles, up and downward motions. Any kind of motion is fine. Don't forget under your jawline, down your neck a little bit. Then you'll pick up your exfoliating buff sponge, add a little bit of water to it, and you're going to do sideways motions. No circles, because you don't want to shove things up into your follicles. We don't want lipids, makeup, product. We don't really want the product going up in your follicles. We want to remove instead the top of your dead skin cells, your oils, your dry skin, dull skin buildup. So you're exfoliating away the top of your skin a little bit. Then you're going to take some water. Lukewarm water is best. You're going to rinse your skin about 3 or 4 times. Now to cleanse your buff sponge, just use hot soapy water. Regular soap is fine. You don't have to use your facial soap. Let it air dry. You can spritz it with alcohol if you like. Pat your skin dry, and you are ready to apply your favorite anti-acne medicine, serum, or moisturizer.